Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to copy any game in Roblox. If you want to recreate the style of a game you like, start by opening Roblox Studio and choosing a base template like Obby, Baseplate, or City. These give you a clean starting point. Then explore the game you admire and take inspiration from its mechanics, not its assets. For example, notice how the movement works, how levels are designed, or how UI elements feel. Next, use Roblox Studio tools like Terrain Editor, Part Tools, and Explorer to build your own version of those ideas. You can create similar gameplay systems using free models or your own scripts, but make sure everything is original and not copied directly. Finally, test your game often using play mode, fix bugs, and improve performance. This way, you learn real development skills while staying within Roblox rules and building something unique that you fully own and can publish safely. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.